Hi guys, welcome to Garden of Beautiful Life. So today I am going to talk about the fungus in plants. So sometimes due to overwatering or due to bacterial infection or due to fungus infection, the plants get fungal infections and the roots starts rotting and the soil becomes like this, and the branches of the trees starts drying up and eventually the plant dies. So generally the main cause of fungal infection is overwatering, and sometimes the bacterial infections also. So I would be telling you about a DIY fungicide which you can spray in your plants and you can easily remove the fungus of your plants. So stay tuned. So the first thing you will need in your fungicide is this. This is baking soda. I have taken 2 teaspoons of baking soda. And the second thing which you will need is eucalyptus oil. So I am using eucalyptus oil here, but you can also use the neem oil. So both are effective because both are effective in killing the bacteria and the fungus. So now I have taken these two things and I have taken 1 liter of water. So I would be taking around 10 to 20 ml of eucalyptus oil and around 2 tablespoons of the baking soda I have taken in 1 liter of water. So I have mixed those two items, and after mixing those two items you must shake the bottle well, and now your fungicide is ready. So now I'll tell you how to spray it on plants. So now if your plant has this fungus problem, mealybugs or these white leaves, so you must spray this solution on the plants like this, and you make sure that the leaves get the spray. So you can spray this fungicide in every 15 days in your plants if the mealybugs and the fungus comes very often. But if your plant has lot of fungus and it is going to die, then I would suggest that you spray this water in every 3 days. So after that you will find a huge difference and the plant will not wilt and die. So please try this DIY at your home and do let me know in the comment box if it works for you, because it has always worked for me. So I would be putting a lot of DIYs and lifestyle videos again. So please subscribe to my channel and please follow me in Garden of Beautiful Life. Thank you.